So today our experiment is assembly of DOL starter and 3-point starter. Here we are giving the supply, that is a 230 volts AC. We are applying to our circuit diagram on panel board. And see the NO connection given, normally open switch. So basically the purpose of DOL starter is simply a method of starting of a 3-phase induction motor, right? So where it is connected directly across its 3-phase supply. So now we are connected the NO and NC connections as per the circuit diagram given. So always remember that DOL starter will apply the full line voltage to the motor terminals. Rather than direct connection, no harm should be done to the motor. That is a major objective. And this DOL starter contains the protection devices also, and in some cases the condition of monitoring a wiring diagram that what we are doing now, that should be simply explaining the assembly of the starter. And here you have the 3-point starter too for the study purpose. See, now we are giving the voltmeter connection across the coil to check how much voltage should be going to present in between those two terminals. So across connection we given the voltmeter. Right, now we need to check whether the same input voltage what we are given as a supply is going to appearing or not. So we need to check it out. So by switching on the socket we can going to check whether the connection should be making proper or not. Before that we need to check the input supply voltage with the multimeter itself, how much input we are given, and we need to check how much voltage appearing on the panel board, that the same voltage or having any deviations. So by switching on the socket, so switch on the kit, so that the LED will glow, right? And we will check the value of the voltage at the input side by multimeter connections. Okay, so right, it should be approximately 217, right sir? 217 the input value given. Now by pressing the green button you are switching on, then the value of the voltage presented in the voltmeter should be 220, right? Good. So that should be plus or minus 3 volts should be going to present it. That should not be a question, right? So able to clear the wiring of your DOL starter, and the 3-point starter is for the study purpose, where you have to right switch off sir by clicking on red button and switch off the kit and switch off the socket. And here the 3-point starter is for the study purpose. So where you know that it's a device that will going to help in the starting and the running of your DC shunt or the compound motor, where you done some experiments in the machines 1 and machines 2 lab while doing the brake test experiment. Now the question is why these types of DC motors require the assistance of this starter. Simply it should be the presence of the back EMF, which plays a crucial role in governing the operation of the motor. So here the back EMF will be going to develop as the motor armature starts to rotate in the presence of the magnetic field. So by generating action and counters the supply voltage, what should going to happen? The back EMF at the starting of the motor is 0. So but it develops gradually in the when motor gathers the speed, right? So where here the struts are there, in order to moving the lever, then what should going to happen? Simply there are 3 terminals LAF, that is a line, armature and field, and so one by one strut should be going to increasing, in the sense the value of the resistance at the starting condition of the motor is increasing in order to avoid the heavy inrush currents during the starting of the motor. Once it should be switch off the power, then automatically the lever should be getting back to its original position. So when it is in on condition, it should be having some magnetic lock. So when it is in off condition, it can release automatically. Here we are having some magnetic lock while our motor is in under operation. Now once you switch off the supply, it will come back to its original position automatically. So this is about your 3-point starter, where L indicating the line, armature and the field terminals. Thank you all. This is the inner portion of your 3-point starter. Thank you.